Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Online grocery backend API. Inside we need to create here the today admin API we need to develop for the orders created here users and need to accept declines and to process the orders for the delivery. We need to API we need to create here the first of all need to go inside the admin view controllers and to write down here the order list API we need to develop here and then after we need to one by ones all API we need to create here today and manage the orders. First of all, we need to needs here the create API for the order list. We need to write down here and to this dot API admin and to promo code not promo codes new orders request. Now we need to go inside the tomorrow we need to create here the this order list API and for the user app we need to create here. Now we need to copy this order app the informations we need to copy here and now need to go inside the admins and to paste this here. Now need to verify here the user types need to set here the 2 for the admins we need to check if these tokens are the admin tokens or not. We need to verify here valid and check with the user type with. Okay, if valid then we need to go here the gets here the admin object here and then we need to check here the orders we need to get here. First of all we need to write down here the one conditions. Remove this here the orders user id no needs here need to remove here and to set here the one conditions if you cash on delivery. So we need to check here first of all the payment type od.payment type is equal to 1 for the cash payment and our condition is to write down here the dot type is equal to 2 if online payments or the cards payments we need to check here the this ones that's need to check here the payment status. You need to create here the success then we need to order place are the completed we need to get here otherwise not display here the cancel payments and waiting payments not display here the orders. Need to write down here the end condition orders and write down here the payment status. Give this call yes name here write down here. Need to check here our database. Need to go inside the order details and open here the structures first value for the status we need to do then payments are done so we need to write down here the 2 and payment types we need to set here the online to set here the conditions and one more conditions we need to set here the just write down here the order status manage here less than or equal to 2. First ones are the this is the new order first status. Second after the order accepted so we need to display inside the new orders because not deliver and not shipping process that's why not display here. If your orders are the delivered that's why I need to remove here the status and to set here the deliver the users. That's why I need to set here the check less than or equal to 2 the order status. Then we need to display here the list and need to give here the descending orders to get here the first older orders are the display here, and then after the display here the new orders. To set here the order by ID, set this here. This is the for the order related the this information save here and get here the list. Now this my orders are list are the create here save, and now next API I need to create here the display here the all orders for the not cancelled but delivers. Need to deliver orders, need to check here to write down here order list and to remove these conditions here. Write down here completed orders order list. Set here the check here the status are the delivers. This means the order are the completed here. And now need to write down here the cancels or declines orders. Need to get here the list. Order list and check here the or then that's it the cancel or declines orders here list out here. Okay, this is the create here the 3 API new orders and accept order API this is, and then after we to complete that order and user can deliver the duns, then to get here the complete orders inside need to get this data, and after need to create here the cancel declines order list need to develop here. And now need to another API need to create here the order details API need to write down first of all, so need to go inside our this ones and to go here and to need to check here the copy here and to go order details API need to call here and to check here the admin API need to give here the order IDs and to get this orders here and need to paste this here and we need to remove this here the user conditions no needs here puts false need now and everything and after we to again we need this is the admin my order order details name order details if now need to and now need to the Nodejs API. And next API we need to create for the here. Change the status for the accept, declined, and the delivered. Need to manage here the three status inside the one API. Suppose need to write down here the app write down here editions for stock. Give only the access for the admin. Have to need to chat here and to write down here the API is admin is write down here the status change. Now need to set this here and here. Functions operators use years and now need to print here the print here the request body. After we need to save this request object inside this request body, we need to save here. And now need to check here the access token verify with the admin users. First of all, the call this here the headers request dot headers need to pass here, and then after we need to check here the response object behaviors and to return here the if valids get here the user object get here. Write down here the function operators and use this here. And now need to verify the required tabs and to set here the admin tabs. And first of all we need to check here the order the parameters. We need to verify these parameters are come here or not come here. Need to check or use here the helper class and check parameters valids. Need to call this function. First of all need to pass here the response object, then after request object need to pass here, and after need to check one by one parameters. First parameters are the order id, set this here, and then after the order status need to give here updated order status. And this is the needs for the years, and one other parameters needs for here the verify cross verify used for the user id need to required here. And the more secure this API need to that if you any third person hire this direct API the not change without the user id the status. That's why I need to set here the user id. And now need to if validates true need to get here the callbacks events need to raise here. And now need to check inside the database db query status inside. We need to write down here the update query. First of all so we need to run this here and to go status. Now go SQLs and we need to select here the update query and remove here the some unused need to ports are the remove and to set this here. And now need to write down here the payment status order status the these all things here, and this status no need here and created this no need. And now need to write down here the now functions use here and to set here the question mark or the. And now to cut this query here and to this here the this query here write down here. And to set here the down here order id here. And one other conditions we need to set here are more than or more than what the current status. That's ID. Plus here and then past year and then after we do again, so we need to give this the status, we need to current status to more than. If you set here the accept orders and database inside the select as a accept already, that's why I need to return here the fails that this here this value. And now we need to return these functions are the errors first parameters and to get result parameters, that's here. And now need to set this here. If here get here the errors inside, then we need to helper through the call the throw http html errors, need to fire these here and to write down here the errors and to set here the response object and to return these functions and execution the stop this here. And if you need to check here the this successfully the update status, need to write down here the result and affected row, need to check here the more than 1, more than 0 means the orders are status order status are changed successfully. Need to give this here the response message inside the return past here the server. Now need to set here the status, write down here the ones and now need to return here message, write down here and else, write down here the of this year's zero status and to write down here the false response. Okay, this is the update status API here, need to call here. And one more thing, to set here the entry, set the user tables, need to write down here the like change the status appropriate, give the notifications tables inside me to the user tab entry. Down here copy the now need to and to cross verify. Now need to set here some options and to get the submit. Yeah, need all this here. But get the insert query, you need to down here. No, go inside the down here. More things by this table. Write down here the ID. And now need to go is at the SQLs and to create here copy, and we need to paste these years. First new notification ID, this auto generates. Now status no needs. And one more thing, so we need to add here the tables is read. New. Now need to save this here. Create here the two columns adds. First of all, need to add the reference ID, which reference are the related to these notifications, and then after need to give here the methods. Is notification are the read flag, need to chat this here, and now need to use this here. Now need to this value or question mark, need to here create here 3, and now need to chat this. I result and here paste this here. If gets here errors and not response here, the API server not response, that's why I need to remove here the response object. And now need to debug logs, so need to print this here this result are successfully bounce here the helper notification. Else parts need to this here that here. Yeah. And now need to first of all the appropriate notification wise, we need to set here the message, we need to share the titles and message, we need to needs here. And first of all, we need to set this here. Reference ID inside need to pass here. To forget inside the user ID, need to get the link with the user, which user these notifications. So set here the by default 0 this here, and to modify these tables here down here. And write down here what get the reference, and after request check the user ID, and after need to set here the titles, need to write down here. And options. Now need to by one parameters here. Now need to increase here one parameters because we need to into, and and we need to set here the one conditions for the order status into down here switch case stations order status false need to over else to structures and to need this here. Now we need to set here the write down accept this set and give and to past here now need to and then after we need to set here notify here for orders we need to set here one create here set here directly no need set conditions now need to copy this here and here delete order copy here paste this here down here the plus number 4 for order cancel methods type write down and set this here the this message here the status need set this here the records here and need to set this here now need to save this here and automatically enters inside the notifications you fire here the notification you need to configure here the notification scores fcm one signals anywhere need to call here the third party api to fire here the notifications now need to same as you need to this vary need to fast get time get it the orders times need to set this here for the use now need to admit to set here notifications need to set this write down type and notifications message need to after reject. That here and now says here once now need to copy this here. Another notification need to set inside the payment transactions. Set this date. Now need to set here and such. Now need to here the need to set it change. Status is equal to need to set here the now need to set this here related to order success or fails. Need to set your notifications and now need to verify this API for orders working goods or not. Need to check here. First of all, need to inside the open the postmans and to one by one this API fires and to check this here. Now to this node and open the postmans. Now postmans are the opens here and to go inside admin and to create here the new folders. Write down here the order management, rename, and inside we need to first of all the copy this hopper, add API and to this new order list to call this here and to say components and orders and to create here the new order list. Now we need to first of all check inside the database. We need to the token for here. Now we need to check this response here. Maybe not gets here, that's why I need to and crash this. DBS URL is not defined, so we need save this. Okay, now need to set again, so need to fire this API here. Get this response, we need to add this order one. This is the place set orders, we need to get this here. Its name. All things we need to get here related and here to past user ID. Once because need to configure with user ID. That's why I need to here the inside this API user ID here always down here. Copy and 3 API inside me to here. Same as the cancel order or declined order. Now save and restart this API. And now need to go inside the postmans. Calls against and gets here the user ID. Get here. Yeah, this is the good spots here. So need to get the one by one status here. And now need to same as we need to create here the complete order list. Orders inside into parameters. After we need to fire this API. No any because we need to not complete any status, that's why not gets here the result. After we need to also here the cancel order, cancel or declines orders. Cancel order and to fire this API check working. And then after we also here the order details API at this here. Else need to check here for the order. Here side unit order ID. After needs here now need to check else here to need to pass this at the else save as this Now need to fire this API and to response server errors. Now need to check which place user ID. Detail screen. Activity. Suppose we need to use here the order details inside, give here the body and offer details inside the not any user ID. That's why I need to get here, and order related to information to OD inside into this error. Now need to restart this server. Now node server are the restarted done, so not to check this API against else this. Now need to get this all order permissions, need to get this here related to status, all things need to returns here, get here. And now need to get here the order status change API, need to pulse here, needs here API names and put this here, add down change. Now we need to pass here one parameters status, add down here the formations related to formations and to and save. Now need to accept these orders, need to add down here and to fire this order. Let's here the else, check why need to get here else. Set here wrong conditions, that's why. And false against this API and to this here and to status updated successfully. We need to get this response here and check here by status update or not. Here accepted order. Now need to and check here the notification details, need to order accept this here the user ID here the status. Okay, now we need to create here the deliver for the process this one that here. Okay, the status update successfully, get this here. Now need to check inside the contents order list, see here the result need to get. If you need to decline these orders, need to go inside the apps and details and to this order 3 are the declines, need to see here and to high order status successfully. Now need to go inside the server declined API and to check this here and to return this get here the result and to check same as we need to check inside the notifications and order declined not gets here the value here on depends value fix. Right, that's fine. Now need to else and back here. Now need to also against it. Check here. Status. Now need to here. And now against this at here. Not this here. No any method. Now need to 3 lens here. Here. Now need to fire again. Now need to set here the wrong conditions here. Need to plus. That's why not. Now need to check. Now need to get it's okay. Now done. And to start the successful. Here. And these are the working good this whole API. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're a user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notification early and the awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.